Hi, so you have a box of mixed Legos like this, and you know there's a kit or two in here, but you just don't have instructions. But you do have some parts that are fairly distinct, like this door. You have to find a 6-digit part number on the bottom or back of many parts. You have to bring it up close and get it in just the right light to read it.
Go to bricklink.com and enter the part number when you're on the parts page.
Hit search.
Bingo, that's the part. Now go over to the right and they have you can click on sets. This one says 173 sets this part appears in.
Now this list is sorted by color. Although that's a lot of sets, we're only interested in dark blue.
Now we need to scroll down and find the sets that have a dark blue door. So just keep going, keep going, keep going. Red, brown, getting closer, running out of colors. Looking for dark blue, looking for dark blue, blue. And there's dark blue. Okay, now what you have to do, you would have to click on each one of these sets until you find one that has that dark blue door with that sticker on it. That exact sticker match, which I'm not going to do. I'm going to go straight to the one. So I already did that. Until, there it is. So I'm clicking on Snow Resort Chalet, and there it is, sure enough, our very door. That's our kit. It's kit 41323, and it's pretty cute. Now we need to find the instructions for the kit. So just search under Lego 41323, and there it is. Click on the building instructions on Lego's website. And you scroll down a little ways and you see the download tab. Download it, save it to your computer if you wish, and you'll be up and building.
I'm going to build off these digital instructions.
I don't print all this. What I like to do is just go to the very end and find the parts list, and I print that out, and then just work off of that on paper, because I have to have it around quite a bit.
Now I have the 3 pages printed, and we're going to see how many of these parts we can locate. Well, the more parts that we can find, the better, of course, to complete this build. We're going to start up here, work our way down through the white. Got them already bagged up.
Okay, there are some of these that are obvious pieces from here, such as this base. But parts have been added to them by creative builders, so we're going to take these all apart. And I don't try to find every part, but I find the major colors. Brown is one. The tan, of course, the big sheets. You have to have those pieces, the framework of it. And we have, would seem enough parts that we can build this. And we'll find suitable substitutes for parts that we can't find. Sometimes we can go into other kits and find parts and borrow them.
It's a minor detail. I couldn't find the purple flowers, so I just subbed in some pink. And then what I do is I keep a record of the substitutes, and so that future builders can have an idea of what they're looking for. We found all the hot tub pieces, the pink couch, the fireplace. Now here's a case of a part that we can't really do without. These white 1x4 double studs. I couldn't find them, so I used some single ones in gray and white, and they should work just fine. Small accessory parts you can ignore, but these are structural parts, so we have to have them. And there's some sub and missing parts here if you look closely. Yep, the beds are made. I can't figure out what that purple and orange thing is in the corner there, what that's supposed to be. So there's the snow chalet. We have most of the original parts, but there are some subs in there. But I think it's a nice little build. Next, we're going to take it apart and put it in a box so someone can rebuild and play with it again. I couldn't find the original characters from this, but we found a few other friends, characters that were willing to come over here and enjoy the hot tub and have a little nap on one of the beds. And the original box is long gone, but with a cereal box and some construction paper, we can make a nice box for this. The one other part that I take out of the manual is the cover photo. print that, and even go so far as to laminate it and then attach it to the box. And we'll trim it and double stick tape it. This has been played with, as it should be, so I'm going to disassemble it in reverse, and I've got the instructions up on my computer, and make sure all the parts are still here, they haven't vanished. So there's the first one. Separate the removed parts by color. As more parts come out, we start bagging them up. Then we're totally disassembled and zipper bagged up. Those on the left there are the modification instructions. Substitute shared parts are in those bags. There you can see we have a shared part bag and explain which kit it's shared with. And there's the substitute bag. And another shared kit bag, hot air balloon. Other builds that we've done here.
And box them up. Could have been just a little bit bigger.
And don't forget the instructions. And parts list. I like a box that has some means of latching shut. I don't want any parts falling out of here. And there's some of the other kits that I rebuilt that, again, were in the same large garage sale box. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.